From Rapa Nui today, I'd like to extend greetings to all the leaders from the Pacific and especially the islands of Melanesia, Micronesia, and Polynesian Island. To you, to the leaders, to come and meet with us the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th of April of this year. And I'm extending an invitation. This is a serious invitation. We need to sit down and talk and share this big problem that we're getting in our islands, which is the garbage of the world called plastic, macroplastic, and microplastic. You are responsible, you, the leader of this island. We need to get together and to tell the world to stop fabricating this garbage that we're receiving in our coast. I know you are receiving it too. So my call to you humbly is to come and get together. Let's talk about this big conflict we're having with the environment. These big countries, the wealthy countries, are garbaging our coast, are garbaging our ocean, the Pacific Ocean, which is the resource for the sustainability of the world. We are the responsible to take care of those. So I'm calling to you, to the leaders of the Pacific, to the mayors, to the lideresas of the Pacific. Come to this invitation to get together, to talk about this, and from here we send the message through our embassies, through our countries, to the whole United Nations, to stop the fabrication of plastic and change the world for the better.